Good morning, Prep 1. Today we will have Unit 3, Lesson 2, Follow the Parallelogram. The definition of a parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral which each two opposite sides are parallel. Its property, ABCD is a parallelogram, so AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. In the parallelogram, each two opposite sides are equal in length. If we have ABCD is a parallelogram, so AB equal DC and BC equal AD. In the parallelogram, the two diagonals bisect each other and not equal in length. In the parallelogram, each two opposite angles are equal in measure. For example, measure of angle A equal measure of angle C, and measure of angle B equal measure of angle D. In the parallelogram, the sum of each two consecutive angles is 180. For example, measure of angle A plus measure of angle B equal 180. To find the measure of angle C, 180 minus measure of angle B. And also measure of angle A equal measure of angle C because they are opposite angle and each two opposite angles equal in measure. ABCD is a parallelogram. Again, the parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which each two opposite sides are parallel. The property, number 1, each two opposite sides are equal in length. 2, each two opposite angles are equal in measure. Number 3, the sum of measure of each two consecutive angles is 180 degree. Number 4, sum of measures of all its interior angles equal 360 because it's a quadrilateral. Number 5, its two diagonals bisect each other. Number 6, it has 0 lines of symmetry. And now we have another example. XYZL is a parallelogram in which measure of angle Y equal 118 degree. Measure of angle LXZ equal 27 degree. Find measure of angle L and measure of angle XZY. To find the measure of angle L, it will be equal measure of angle Y because they are opposite angles and each two opposite angles are equal in measure. So measure of angle L equal 118 degree. Here we have LX parallel to ZY, so measure of angle LXZ equal measure of angle XZY equal 27 because they are alternate angles. Notes: a quadrilateral in which only two opposite sides are parallel is called a trapezium. Only two opposite sides. Okay. Let's have a last example in the figure opposite AB parallel to CD. AC intersect BD equal M. measure of angle DAC equal 30 degree and measure of angle DBC equal 40 degree and measure of angle AMB equal 70 degree. Prove that ABCD is a parallelogram. How we can find this a parallelogram? To prove that this shape is a parallelogram, we must have each two opposite side parallel, or we have only two opposite side parallel and equal in length in the same time. Here we have only two opposite side equal parallel, which are AB and CD. You must prove that AD parallel to CB. Let's start our proof. Here we have the two angles DMA and AMB are two adjacent angles and they are supplementary. So you can find measure of angle AMD. Measure of angle AMD equal 180 minus 70 equal 110 degree. In the triangle AMD, we have measure of angle DAM and we have measure of angle AMD. To find measure of angle ADM, 180 minus, between two brackets, 30 plus 110 equal 40, because the sum of the interior angles of the triangle equal 180. And now you have measure of angle ADM equal 40 and measure of angle DBC also equal 40, and they are alternate angles. So we can prove that AD parallel to CB. Since AB parallel to DC, therefore we have ABCD is a parallelogram, because we have each two opposite sides are parallel. Thank you, Prep 1, and